Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to quickly switch between audio output devices on Windows 10. So this is not really a tutorial about if your sound isn't working right, like if your sound down here isn't turned all the way up, or if your actual speakers aren't turned on. That is something you'll have to check on your own. This is purely going to be telling Windows which output device to put the audio to. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, like so. And you either want to type in settings or left click on the little gear icon on the left side here. Under Best Match should be Settings, Trusted Microsoft Store App. You want to left click on that one time to open up the settings window here. Now you want to go underneath the System section or System tile. Go over and left click on the Sound tab on the left, and where it says choose your output device there should be a drop down menu here. So if you have multiple output devices they should be listed in here. So you just would select the correct one. Once you're done you can close out of the settings window, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.